Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide grid lines in Excel. Let's get started. To hide grid lines throughout your entire spreadsheet, follow these steps. Click on the View tab. In the Show section, unselect Grid Lines. Your spreadsheet now looks neat without those grid lines cluttering the view. But what if you only want to hide grid lines in a specific area? Here's a nifty trick. Imagine you have a data table and you want to remove grid lines just from there. Select the table area, go to the Home tab, and use Fill Color to make the background white. By doing this, the grid lines vanish only from the selected table area. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.